Alongside our Power Clutch 2.0, we have developed the Müller Clutch Control. Now, I will explain what this part is and what it can do. We received feedback from many dealers that the automatic cable tensioner from Harley-Davidson for the Milwaukee 8 models is really quite modest in its adjustment. This meant that mechanics in the workshop had to adjust the clutch using these plastic components, which was always quite difficult. Sometimes the plastic components broke and they had to buy expensive replacement parts from Harley-Davidson, or the adjuster's teeth broke, which caused the clutch to misadjust while riding. We addressed all these issues with our Müller Clutch Control. What actions did we take? First, we reverted to the classic system where the cable tension is adjusted mechanically via threads. The entire component was made from high-strength aluminum and then anodized to prevent corrosion or oxidation. This allows us to easily and quickly adjust the clutch, and nothing can break or misadjust anymore. The Müller Clutch Control is designed to be compatible with both the original clutch segment and our Power Clutch, which is 120-10. Simply retrofit the Müller Clutch Control and you'll be on par with our Power Clutch 2.0. Give it a try, install it, have fun and be well.